Aditya,
Nice.
surprise!
You don't need to go to any tuition also. Chat GPT will tell you everything at home.
Bro, what is this Chat GPT? I keep seeing it everywhere these days.
Arey, you don't know what Chat GPT is? It's been like the current hot topic now on internet. A lot of people have been using it, especially like college students and all that. So see, basically Chat GPT is like an AI chat box. You might have used these chat box functions on a lot of apps, right? For example, customer care services on apps like Zomato, Swiggy or anything, where if you type in any message, humans don't respond over there. You get like automated generated computer messages, right? So this is also something similar to that, but it has like AI, guys. It's much more like knowledgeable, has a lot of information, and can give you like very witty, creative sort of answers, and not just like general knowledge related stuff. Chat GPT is like very intelligent, guys. It can even solve math problems for you. It can do programming, coding also for you. That is why it's been like crazy used by college students these days. A lot of my friends also have been using it once I started suggesting them. So come over here, I'll actually show you how this thing works and give you some examples also.
Hey, it's been a long time, right? We haven't made any videos together.
That is actually true, and that is the reason we'll be having like a lot of fun in this video.
आग लगा देंगे.
आग लगा देंगे, आग लगा देंगे. Open up Chat GPT. Let's try it out.
But bro, I have a doubt.
Okay.
You said in Chat GPT we can search anything, but why do I need that when I can do the same thing in Google?
Now that is actually interesting question. You people might also ask the same thing. So thing is now in Google, whenever you search for anything, you'll get like a lot of links, right?
Yeah.
Every link will have like different sort of information and answer. So see the answer you won't get. That is the difference over here. In Chat GPT, if you ask it any sort of question, you'll get like a direct answer, guys. No links, no exploration, nothing. See the answer you will get in
Only
one word.
one fasak.
Click over there. So this is how the home screen on ChatGPT looks like. It even shows you some examples over here, like what you can search for. I've told you now, it's like a full-on AI chat bot. You can basically type in any sort of question and AI will give you answer
I'm
over
pretty
there.
much excited to use this because this is my first time.
What do you want to ask it?
Should I say hi? How are you?
Yeah,
like
why don't
first
you? Yeah.
greeting. Hi. How are you?
Now that's a very simple question. Even Siri, Google Assistant can also answer that.
Yes.
So thing is now these days this Chat GPT servers are like super busy, guys, because a lot of people are accessing, so we're getting a bit of delays in the responses. This was not the case when it came out first last year. I think this service was launched in November, December something, I don't exactly know, but that time it was like very fast. Now we are seeing a lot of delays and server crashes also. As I've told you, simple answer you're getting.
Yeah. Can it even answer in other languages? If I ask question in other languages?
I don't know. Why don't
Let's
you
try.
type in like Namaste and see? Let's see if it can actually identify Hindi.
Namaste.
Okay, we said Namaste and okay, you guys saw that? It
Now
can
I'm like quite excited. Can I try in Korea?
Now you want to try Korean also? And guys, let me tell you, my sister watches each and every K-drama. Full on web series. She'll put on Netflix till night 12 o'clock. She keeps watching all these web series. Mad she's about those things.
I want to visit Korea one day. Okay, I said annyeong. Annyeong is hi.
Yeah, hi in Korean.
Yeah.
These days we are watching Crash Course in Romance and
Yeah, it's super fun. And yeah, this is India. Here boys are Japanese and girls are Korean. This is common these days. Yeah, so it did reply me, annyeong.
So language test passed. Chat GPT can reply to you in different languages. Very interesting. Now what do we ask it? Let's do something creative. Let's see if it can play a game with us.
Ooh. So it can even play games.
I don't know. Let's see. Ask it like, can you play a game with me?
Let's play game. I'm bored right now.
See, I think just like Google Assistant or Siri, maybe it will give you some simple sort of games. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, we got our answer.
It says it can play trivia, word games, puzzle. So yeah.
Pretty interesting. Let's play a word game. Okay. So thing with Chat GPT is now you can even define the rules, like what sort of game you want to play with it, and it will actually follow those rules. Let me just type in and show you an example.
Except for Squid Game.
What Squid Game? Okay, so what do we type in? Let's play a word game, guys, but let's put some conditions over here. So I'll define it as let's play a word game
where I'll say a word and you'll reply with you'll reply with a word that is like a synonym or something related to that. Okay.
Let's see what Chat GPT will actually reply to that.
Oh, she's saying sounds like fun. Let's get started.
Oh, it actually understood the whole thing. Very interesting.
Okay.
I'm wondering what sort of training it got from humans. Okay, how do we start? What word do you want to say?
Maybe ocean.
Ocean? Okay, ocean.
Ocean.
Okay, let's see what it says. Let's give like 1 or 2 seconds.
Beach. Wow. Aditya,
Nice.
surprise.
It's actually working, na? Arey, now I got a question. Like, should we ask it like which is better, AMD or Intel? Let's see what Chat GPT will tell.
I thought this was a fun video.
Arey, let's see now. I want to see what Chat GPT's answer is. Which is better,
Okay.
AMD or Intel? Chat GPT's answer. So there you go. We are getting an answer from Chat GPT. Oh, very smart answer, huh? It's
It doesn't want to hurt anyone.
It's saying best choice will depend on the
yours.
user. Oh, smart, huh? Okay, let's ask if it can pretend like a character or maybe like a personality. You people know about Sundares, right? If you people have watched like Japanese anime, Sundare is a character which shows you like, which acts like, very harsh, but on the inside they're like very soft and warm, that sort of personality.
Oh, I was thinking Sundare means it's like a Karen.
No, not Karen. Can you pretend like a Sundare? Can it actually answer that? Does it even know what a Sundare is?
Maybe she knows. Maybe she doesn't. We have to wait.
Okay. It does know what Sundare is.
Oh, she knows that it's a Japanese term.
Just act like a Sundare, man. Why are you giving all that definition?
Just ask her, no?
Just act like a Sundare.
Sundare mask on.
Okay. It actually says it can respond.
Okay.
And this is very interesting, right? Whenever you're bored, just open up Chat GPT and you will have like so much fun over here.
I want to know if RRR will win Oscar or no.
No, that is
That's
an
a hot
interesting
topic.
question. But I'm pretty sure we won't get an answer. Let me just type in and show you why. Also, I'll tell you. I'm pretty sure ChatGPT doesn't know this answer because it's like a pre-trained AI software, right? It's not linked to the internet, guys. That is the only limitation over here. So it only has like a certain set of information fed to it. From that only it will be able to answer.
I can't predict future.
It can't predict future. But let's put our hopes high, because it's an Indian film, right? I really wish RRR gets Oscar. It will be like awesome, guys. Now, apart from that, guys, one of the biggest advantages of having ChatGPT is you can actually use this software, this AI feature to solve your math question.
I was waiting for this because I actually saw this feature somewhere that it can do it.
Yeah, and lot of school students, college students, they've been using ChatGPT to do their homework like math problems, trigonometry, quadratic equations. It can solve all of this, and not just that, you can even do like programming, coding in C, Java, all of this. Very crazy, right?
Oh my god. Let's test it.
Let's test it. What do you want to do? Maybe something like math problem?
Yeah, math.
Let me type in some quadratic equation.
How much is 2x plus 54x plus 652 equals 0?
What is the value of x? This is what we want to know. Let's see how it responds.
Wow, it's solving something.
This is a quadratic equation of the form
And
ax
good
square plus
thing is,
bx plus c.
It's not telling the final answer. It's showing step-by-step process.
That is actually pretty crazy,
Where
right?
was this when I was studying? I had to do everything by myself.
Very interesting, guys. Look at this. It is not giving you like a one-word answer. In fact, it is showing you step-by-step procedure on how to solve that quadratic equation.
My homework would have been so easy if this was there that time.
This is actually great to learn maths or maybe stuff like that. Why don't we also try out something like programming and coding?
Programming is one thing which I never got. I don't know why. I never understood C, Java.
C program for prime numbers?
Yeah,
Something just like a random example. Prime numbers. Let's see how it responds to that.
No, like seriously.
It's crazy, right?
It's my bad luck this was not there when I was studying.
Okay, we are getting an answer. Here's an example of simple C program to print all prime numbers from 1 to 100.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, are you guys looking at this? It's actually crazy.
C was my nightmare.
Just simply change those numbers, put in your own numbers and
I
do
would-
your homework. Khatam.
I would have been a topper in C.
Khel khatam, dukaan band yaar. You don't need to go to any tuition also. Chat GPT will tell you everything at home. It's even explaining step by step what to do. So it's not just like fun sort of stuff, guys. It's a lot
It's very
educational,
educational.
great for learning at home. You can use this
Both
feature.
in positive ways, negative ways.
Ah, I think now you got an idea like what Chat GPT can
It
do,
was
and
super fun.
let's see where Chat GPT goes in future, and what Google does to counter this. What I heard is Google is also working on something very similar to Chat GPT, just like a competition. Let's see where it goes. So that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out something really awesome. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And we'll see you all in our next one.
Bye.